Yes, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah, today I'm going to show you how you can make a modern lap beat, yeah, by using FL Studio. So, command name johfoxer with this exciting tutorial. So, thank you for being connected with me. And if you're new here, also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And here we go. Yeah, so I just started my project with 84 BPM, yeah, beat per minute, I can say that, yeah. So, and here I just play my patterns, several patterns as you see here. So, and already I arranged my beat, So, let's go and see what I play from one instrument. So, I just start with a electric piano. It is from FL as you see, and I just play my cool, I can say, chord. Sound good like this one. Yeah, I just play with a D major scale. So after playing that, I just add this nylon uh, from Fix, and sound good like this one. So the secret of this guitar, just to get the sound, is to increase the volume of such note you want uh, to play sound like you play it live. Yeah, so simple. After that, I jump to my kick. I just arrange it simple like this one. Yeah, so after that, I add my clap. Yeah, apart from clap, I just add my hi-hat, and I just go somehow crazy as you see. So let's hear. Yeah, yeah, so I just go crazy as you see. So after that, I just add open hi-hat. This one cinematic sample. So yeah, simple like this one. After that, I add this one snare. Yeah, I just as you see. So yeah, and yeah, so I just add this in order to add some taste in my drum grooves. Yeah. So before continuing, let's hear when you combine these drums together. Wow.